Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 BMW X5. If we go to telephone, click on telephone, you'll see their Bluetooth menu. Also, there's another thing over here. So if I knock it over here like so, you'll see split screen, switch control, Bluetooth, Bluetooth information, Bluetooth devices. I want Bluetooth devices. Select that, you'll see there, Barry's iPhone. Then there's another cog here. Knock that over to the right hand side. Turn down, remove device, that's it, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2014 BMW X5. We're just waiting for the level crossing here, so click onto nav, which is here, nav, and then knock across again, brings up a different menu, destination input, country, place, postcode. We want place and postcode. Now we're Grosvenor Garage, P. R. Now we need numbers, so we go back to the center there, further characters, click on that, and that's gone to numbers. So 5, 4, it's defaulted back to letters, E, A, and then OK. Click OK. I don't need a street, I just need start guidance, so on to start guidance, and that's it.
Please turn right in 100 yards onto Bankhead Lane.
So first of all, we go over to settings, we're on Bluetooth there, we're watching out at the bottom, over to the eye control, click telephone, Bluetooth menu on there, add new device there, there's a tick in Bluetooth, so that's okay. We're adding a new device, and then BMW 41502, that's on, click on that, wait for it, over here, compare this number 655809 pair and click OK. Checking the passkey. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Telephones are ticking it. Click OK. Barry's iPhone connected. And then if I just go to the top, there you go, that's connected.